Hi there, today I will show you how to create a simple third-person game in Unity. So without wasting the time, let's begin the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. First of all, enter your project name. I will enter game. You can enter whatever you like. Game. Game. Now select your project location. After that, select your project template. I will select 3D. Select create project. So this is the Unity editor. These are called objects. And these are the components. From here you can change their properties. And these are the menu items: file, edit, assets, game object, component, window, help. So first of all, go to assets, import package, select characters. Now select import. I will skip this will take some time. So now after importing, go to standard assets. So first of all, add the 3D object terrain. After that, now go to standard assets. Now go to characters. Now go to third person. Now go to prefabs and import the third person. So here it is. Now we have imported our third person. Now again go to third person. Now go to scripts. Now we will add control to our third person. Now just check the script to third person controller. Like this. Now select continue. Now that's it. Now we are able to control our third person. As you can see, now adjust your camera view. Adjust your camera view properly. Now as you can see, we are able to control our third person. So that's it. Now I will show you how to create environment in your game in another video on Unity. So stay tuned for that video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.